This Century 21 Cornelis-Simpson Incorporated property video is presented by Peggy Laud. Spacious ranch on a huge lot, 3 bedrooms, main bathroom has been totally updated and includes hookups for main level laundry, cozy fireplace in the family room that opens to a 3-season room with removable glass panels. Basement is a open slate, dry and ready to be finished. 2-car attached garage plus a 24 by 30 detached garage. Open area across from this home is a community green space, great place to fly kites. For more information, review the details below.